Hello guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below. Hit the notification bell so anytime we upload something new, you'd be first to know. On today's video, we are going to make the letter E for elephant. Please kindly stay tuned, and by the end of this video, you'll have learned how to make the letter E. Please don't forget to like and share this content. Thank you. Having worked on a variety of bead art for over 5 years, I'm here now to share that knowledge with you. Hello everyone, and welcome aboard this fun and creative journey as I share with you skills I've gained in a field that I am genuinely passionate in. I'm Stike and I love art. So the materials you'll require to make the letter E are a 0.30 millimeters fishing line, that one. That's what we use. Then you'll need a nail cutter or scissors to cut your fishing line. You'll also require beads. For us, we use this type of beads. For today, we are going to use red and white beads to make the to make the letter E. So proceed. So you put your beads and cut a fishing line approximately around between 8 to 10 inches length. Then we start now. We're making the letter E. We start by picking a white bead on the right. Those are two white beads on the right, one red bead on the left, and another red bead on the right, and then you crisscross on the red bead on the left. I hope you know what crisscrossing is. It's basically passing the other end of the fishing line through the hole of the bead, and you should have something that looks like this. Those 4 beads should look like that. Continue. You pick a red bead on the right, a white bead on the left, a red bead on the right, and then you crisscross like that. You should have something that looks like this. You proceed. Pick a red bead on the right, a white bead on the left, a red bead on the right, and then you crisscross on the red bead like that. You should have something that looks like this. Proceed. Pick a red bead on the right, pick a white bead on the left, pick a red bead on the right again, and then you crisscross. You should have something that looks like this. Kindly remember to like and subscribe to our channel, and also share with people that you know might like this content. You pick a white bead on the left, a white bead on the left again, then a red bead on the right, and then you crisscross on the red bead from the right. By doing so, we've made a corner. It should have something that looks like this. So we proceed. You pick a white bead on the right, a red bead on the right, and a red bead on the left, and then you crisscross on the red bead from the left to have something that looks like this. Continue. You pass the fishing line through the next red bead like that. I hope you can see that clearly, like that. And then continue. You pick a white bead and a red bead on the left, and then you crisscross on the red bead from the left. You'll have something like this. Remember, we're making the letter E for elephant. We continue. Pass the fishing line through the next bead like that. Then we proceed. Pick a red bead on the right and a red bead on the left, and you crisscross on the left red bead. This is what basically happens when you place an order to have your bracelet made. So that's how we come about to make the letters. You pass the fishing line through the next bead. You pick a white bead on the right, a red bead on the left, and you crisscross on the left red bead to have something that looks like this. We proceed. I hope our speed is okay. I hope you can see everything clearly, but if not, kindly let us know in the comments below, and also you can let us know what letter you'd like us to do next. You proceed. You pick a red bead on the right, a white bead on the left, and you crisscross on the red bead from the right to have something that looks like this. We also have other tutorials on how to make other letters, so you can check on our videos, on our playlists. You can see other videos on how to make other letters. So we've proceeded. We've put a white bead on the right, a red bead on the right, and then now we're putting a white bead on the left. Then we crisscross on the white bead on the left like that. Then you always remember to pull to have something that looks like this. And if you've been beading for a while, I'm sure you've noticed that this is just the same principle that you're repeating, so it's not something hard. Especially if you practice it, you tend to understand it better. So we've proceeded by putting a white bead on the right, a white bead on the left, and then we've crisscrossed on the left white bead, and then you proceed by passing the red bead, the fishing line through the red bead like that. Then you pick a white bead, sorry, a red bead, and then you pick a white bead on the left, and then you crisscross on the white bead from the left. We shall have something that looks like this. Okay, proceed. You pass the fishing line through the white bead like that. Continue. Put a white bead on the right, a white bead on the left, and then you crisscross on the white bead from the left. You should have something that looks like this. Then you proceed. You pass the fishing line through the red bead like that. Then you pick a white bead on the left, and then you pick a red bead on the right. And then you crisscross on the red bead from the right to have something that looks like this. If you can see keenly, that's the letter E for elephant. So kindly let us know what letter you'd love to see next in our next video. Thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Thank you.